I leave the lamb meat in a salty water with the vinegar for 40 minutes. Salt about 3 tablespoons, vinegar the same. I used 1 big onion. Add salt, pepper, paprika, dried mint, basil, oregano to the meat. You can use fresh herbs if you prefer. Mix everything well. Then add 2 tablespoons of sour cream or plain tangy yogurt. I didn't have any, so I used mayonnaise. If you want, you can do the same. I like use ghee for meat or some vegetables, but if you want, you can use your favorite oil, avocado oil, olive oil, or something else what you prefer. Fry the meat, add onion on top, and let it cooking until onions are fully dissolved. This is cilantro. Look at this, how juicy it turned out. Let's give it a try.